Bitcoin $31,000. We are knocking at that door again. You want to know the last information about the crypto world, price predictions, and much more? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news, fun on the right crypto a tope. Again, we are so happy today. We are in this rocket. We are going crazy up with Bitcoin. The rocket is launched. Satoshi, we have lift off. You can see here from Iron Man, this guy ready to have fun with Bitcoin, and this duck having also a good day in crypto. We are going up for the second day more than $1,500. Actually, yesterday it was 2,500 after 1,700, which is crazy in my opinion. Usually we say that we go down in an elevator, but right now we are going up in an elevator, and the stairs are the ones that brings us down. You can see here that reality, it took us just 6 days to erase the entire correction that we had, that minus 20% over 2 months because of Gary Gensler and all those fiascos. So we broke the 29,000 line, and what is better than $29,000? You can see here, easy, 30,000. Okay, you got it. Now we want the $31,000 line to be broken too. We'll see about that. We find a very strong resistance at this point in the 31,000 something. It was the previous high in April 2023. We'll see if we can manage to break that. Remember the reasons for all this in the last videos. You watch them all. Also, you have there all the technical indicators to explain this Bitcoin behavior. For example, CME gaps, we just feel for good the one we had in $30,000, and now you can see that the last homework we have to do in the upper side is in $35,000 and something. So if we go there, it would be happy times. Remember, on the other side of the coin, we have a gap in the $20,000, also in the $10,000. Remember last videos, the cap and handle bringing us to $52,000. Maybe we also told you about the week of method that would bring us to $40,000 approximately. And we can go to TradingView. You have the link in the description and find for more patterns, like for example, the falling wedge. That will bring us to 31,500. Also, the inverse head and shoulders will bring us to 35,200. And if we think about the Elliott waves, well, you can see that we close the pattern and we may be starting with the number one again. We'll see about that. More for Bitcoin, and this is the first time ever in Bitcoin history. This has never happened before. We had a golden cross, moving average 20 and 200 crossed for the first time in Bitcoin. What can this mean? Well, if you go to the last 2 times, something similar happened, not the same, but similar. We were here 2015, and you can see how crazy up we went. And also here in 2019, we went up for good too, and then down and then good again. So maybe we are starting the next impulse for Bitcoin. Maybe so. With the Fibonacci retracement, well, now we find that 34,000 will be the next resistance to break. And this is making bears not very happy, like this guy that was just walking around and found the dip, the drop, and is so mad about it. Not happy at all. Bad day for the bears. They lost $200,000 million in liquidations. All those heads are cut, and it's because the biggest crypto market capitalization, Bitcoin, gained 11.8% over just 1 month. We had 120 billion pouring into crypto market in just a week. And you can see here in the weekly chart for the total market cap how crazy this is, that we can lose millions of dollars and win millions of dollars in just a single week. And why is that? We've been telling you about this, the institutional interest, all those corporations coming into Bitcoin. We told you on social media, follow us in Twitter. You have Deutsche Bank, Fidelity, BlackRock, etc., etc. Watch all our videos. You have to know that Grayscale is improving volume by 400% since the rumors of Fidelity we told you in last videos. And now more good news. Powell, the Fed, saying that they see stablecoins as money and they are asking for more control. In Spain, Santander's bank releasing a paper about Lightning Network and saying this is a very, very crazy good technology that we have to use. So crazy that banks are coming also into crypto. And what about Deutsche Bank? Remember, we told you in the last video its interest, and now also saying that they have good prospects for US inflation. They believe that inflation is improving by more than the Fed expects this year. So maybe that's why Bitcoin price and everything is going up. Again, just watch all our videos and you will know what's going on. Maybe the thing is that with this good news, dollar was going down, breaking this yellow important horizontal line with support and resistance so many times. And now the market sees that dollar is weak and we have to go down. Remember, crazy theories we told you in last videos about this, and those are coming into reality. Or maybe this is because of halving. We are 300 days away and we are right now with a better behavior than the last 3 times we had this halving. Remember that we have this clock tick-tock, and Bitcoin is going to have less and less Bitcoin every day once those halvings occur. Like, for example, next halving in April 2024 will come from 900 Bitcoins that are mined every day right now to 450. And in just 4 years, we'll have just 225 Bitcoin mined every day. So maybe that's why all those institutions want the more Bitcoin, the better right now, as it's more interesting now than in the future. If you want to know more about halving, just search in our channel for the halving videos. And maybe from Altcoin Daily, we had this idea that the regulators and all these people are talking bad things about the cryptosphere because they want in. And so this is the oldest trick in the book.
Oldest trick in the book. If you want to buy a lot of something, what do? You shit on it. Right? When George Soros wanted to corner the market in copper, right? What did he do? He didn't go out and buy a bunch of copper. He went out and sold a bunch of copper and spread rumors that copper was going to zero. Then you swoop in and buy a whole bunch after the price collapses. That's what I think went on last year.
So manipulations in the market of the huge whales. Maybe this is it. This is the oldest trick in the book. But anyways, we don't care about price. We know that adoption is improving. More than 50 startups of Bitcoin now trying to go to El Salvador. Also, we started the building of the airport in Bitcoin City in El Salvador. And in Spain, allegedly, we have these grocery stores that are accepting cryptocurrencies as payment today. If you were worried about Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy, do not be, because today MicroStrategy got back to break even on their investment of 104,000 Bitcoin. Good for them. The market is in the crazy green. The bubbles are in the green, and you can see PEPE there as a huge bubble. if we go to the best performance of the most important ones, this is a PEPE. So good. If you go to the meme coins, you can see that also is the best one with that 34% up. If we go to dextools.io, you can see PEPE is hot pair number 2 right now, but also Powell is a very interesting one today. Losers of the day, tweets, not Reddit, but tweets going down. So again, if you want to follow DeFi ecosystem, DexTools is your tool. And maybe we have to say goodbye to our chance of buying PEPE in this point. I am right now in benefit. If I sell my PEPE, what should I do? We have a resistance line here. Very interesting point. I'm gonna wait, so that means that PEPE is going to fall again. We'll see about that. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever what I'm talking about. This is pure entertainment. And let's talk about Bitcoin dominance. We are in a point where Bitcoin is getting stronger and stronger. We told you about that in last videos, more than 50%. But remember, this can be a good thing or a bad thing. As the last time that we went in this point, we started falling. We had a movement up and then down here. You can see this arm back up and then down. And also the second time here, well, we had a very good moment, but eventually we drop with COVID and etc. And also this guy telling us, well, remember how money flows in this ecosystem. You have fiat. From fiat, sat fiat money, you go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin gets so strong. Then you have some time for some altcoins, the large caps like Ethereum, for example, or XRP, etc. Then mid caps, then low caps. Then from low caps, we protect ourselves in Bitcoin. And from Bitcoin, we exit the market in fiat and we start all over again. So maybe alt season is in the cards right now. Are you greedy? Well, the market is 65 today. Ripple so up from 0.5. So maybe good thing. It just obtained in principle approval for major payment institutional license in Singapore, which is an improvement. Ethereum broke all the lines we wanted it to break. The moving average of 100 days. Also this line coinciding with previous highs. So everybody wondering if we are going to break $2,000 with Ethereum soon or not. Red Capital here in the monthly chart for Ethereum believes that we might go and find support in this red line, and then maybe by September we will be up from $2,000. We'll see about that. In the DeFi ecosystem, trying to find the $40 billion line, and we have a very good piece of information about games and NFTs. Immutables got Unchained launches on Epic Game Store. The trading card game, which features NFT cards, will now be available to Epic Games 230 million customers, which is awesome. And about the Ledger, they are saying that they don't care about all the fiasco and they are going to release the recovery tool in Q4 2023. So right now they are trying to release the open source roadmap, and you can read a white paper that is telling you how this works and how this is safe. But we'll see how things work for this company and this cold wallet. Remember, if you want to learn about all the fiascos, you just go to our channel and type Ledger in the search and you will find all the information about it, and also how to be a little bit safer with the passphrase. Do not miss that out. Are we safe in the world? I don't know. This is China allegedly, and if you are a bad citizen, these cameras will recognize your face and you'll have no gas. If you are a good citizen, you'll have gas. So this topic future we told you about every day, maybe humanity trying to find destruction, like this stupid nonsense of the day for Earth world, where the dinosaurs just flew into space. due to the meteorite. Is this what happened in the past? I don't know. I want things to go faster, like these penguins working at 5x speed. We want Bitcoin to be in all-time highs already. And let's stop talking about technology and crypto and financial things. This guy is just so stressed. He needs the cell phone. This is not good. This is an addiction. Much better is this daddy with his son, just learning how to bike, and you can see the happiness for something like this. So again, forget about technology for a little bit and try to do something that involves maybe sports, maybe love, maybe helping others. That's my advice. But be careful afterwards, because maybe you are having a very nice time, you are there with your friends, but eventually you go too crazy and all they fall. This is a crypto reality. Like this guy is testing. Let's jump. Oh my. Can I watch that again? One more time. Oh mama, I don't like it. And let's just allow the cats to come into today's video, and you can see that they are exhausted. Like this guy's like, oh my god, there's so many information for just one show. Rodri, this is too much. Well, smash then like the like button, because it helps us a lot, and we will keep on searching. I want more crypto. I want more crypto news. You'll have more crypto news. Don't worry, because you are a rider. You have the watermelon in your brain, in your heart, and in your head. Crazy stuff. We have no more time today, but we'll find more and share it with you tomorrow here in Crypto News. Fun on the ride, health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come. Crypto a tope. To the moon!